This is an introduction to our lower back and abdominal machine. The moving components on this machine include the back lever, which can be adjusted by releasing the tightening knob seen here. Slide the lever to the appropriate height, and then tension the lever by tightening the knob. To adjust the position of this lever, pull on the red pin seen here and adjust this lever to rest right behind the back between the shoulder blades. The next moving component of this device is the footrest. To move the footrest, untighten with the knob seen here, pull the red handle to depress the pin, slide the foot mount up and down to its appropriate height, release the red pin and latch in place, and finally tighten at this lever here. The height of the footrest is appropriately positioned where, with the feet flat on the platform, the thighs will lie parallel to the ground. The position of the backrest should be between one's shoulder blades or slightly below her. The last moving component to this machine is the weight stack itself. Simply pull the pin and place the pin in the appropriate weight. Now we're going to demonstrate extension of the spine. To extend the spine, simply lean back. Slowly return to a seated position. Make note that our subject here does not lean excessively back, and when he sits up, the weights do not touch. This should be the technique repeated for all of your repetitions. And now Dakota will demonstrate the setup for an abdominal curl. To perform the curl, you may or may not need to lower the back lever. The position of this lever should rest across the chest. You'll want to position yourself in this manner with your feet tucked behind the padding in front of the ankles. The hands can be rested either on the lap, across the front of the bar, or atop of the bar. In any position of the hands, just simply rest the arms either on the lap or on the bar and refrain from pulling on the bar. The move is initiated by leaning forward as far as tolerable and then returning to a seated position. When returning to a seated position, try to prevent the weights from touching each other to keep constant tension on the cable throughout all the repetitions.